guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite homegirl, Ayana Mertina, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? So today I am making some breakfast burritos. So I'm going to show you guys what ingredients I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to take you step by step on how to make it, and it's going to be so delicious. So I made these one time before and I used the sausage links. It was good, but I'm not really a big huge sausage fan, so I'm going to use bacon instead today. This is cherry wood smoked bacon, thick cut. If you like thick things. Of course you need some eggs. I'm going to use 6 because I'm making 2 burritos. I have some salsa here. You can use whatever kind you like. I have some cheese here. This is just the Mexican style shredded cheese. I got some sriracha to put inside of the burrito. The salsa is going to be like on the side. And make sure you get the big burrito size tortilla, because if you use a smaller size it won't work right and it'll end up being more like a quesadilla or a taco, so don't do that. And then I have some butter as well. We're gonna put that in the pan to brown the tortilla when we make everything and wrap it all up. So first things first, I'm gonna make the bacon. I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna put it in the oven because it's easier, and I'll come back once the bacon is done and I'm making the eggs and I'll show you how to assemble everything. Okay, now what we're gonna do is get the actual burrito together. So I'm gonna put some butter in the pan, put the tortilla in, and then put the cheese on it, get the cheese nice and melty, and then put all the toppings inside. And I'm making them one at a time because it's easier that way. And then I have the flame on like medium, by the way. Alright, so we got nice and melty cheese. The edges are starting to get a little bit brown on the tortilla. So now you gotta move like a little bit quick. Take your bacon, boom, and boom, right? Take your egg. You don't want to do too much because then you can't roll it up. I learned that the hard way last time. You want to kind of get it into the middle if you can. Then we're going to take some sriracha. Oh, about to burn up. And just hit it like that. Now you gotta roll it. Ugh, I can't get the edge. Oh no. Oh, I burnt it up. So, yeah, don't do that. Yo! Look at these. I don't know what I did.
Damn.
You ain't gotta.
You had it too high.
I had it on medium.
That's probably too high.
I guess. So, probably can't even hear. I burnt the hell out of them. So here I am doing the breakfast burrito assembly the right way, outside of the pan. I did some research, you know, trial and error, and I realized the error of my ways. So I decided it'd be best if I made the burrito and then put it in the pan, wait about 15 to 20 seconds to flip it over, and like just keep flipping it so that you can watch how brown it gets, and then the cheese inside can get melted too, and you won't burn it. Alright, so completely ignore all that mess back here, but we finally have good results. Like I showed you earlier, the way I was doing it before was just completely wrong. So don't do it like me. Make sure you cook all your stuff, assemble it on the side, put it in the pan to heat it up with a little bit of olive oil, and then you'll get something beautiful just like this. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that button down below so you can subscribe. Hit that button right beside it as well to turn on your notifications so that when I post a new video, you get notified, because I do post 3 times a week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you don't want to miss anything. So I hope you guys have a great day or a great night. Whatever it is, make it great, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.